In today's video, I am making a knife as a tribute to one of man's best friends. A client of mine reached out to me and asked if I could make this in honor of his friend that passed away not too long ago.
Really hard after you forge it to see which way layers go. I'm gonna clean this up with some acetone real good, real quick.
I don't have a welder, so I had to use some baling wire to hold the pieces of steel together in the forge. After they were wrapped up in wire, I let them sit in the forge, and this much steel takes a while to heat up, but once they were to heat, I started hitting that steel and turning it into Damascus.
I'll shove it back in.
And the good old saying goes, one monster a day keeps the doctor away. During the recording of this video, I was doing something weird and something weird happened with the video footage and a lot of it got deleted. For example, the final shaping and the scene where I split the billet of Damascus in half with the log splitter press thingy I have here. And I lost a lot of footage, so it's basically a good jump from me forging a billet of Damascus straight to making bevels of the knife.
So he wants this mosaic pin. I can't tell if you can see that or not. Get out of the way, hawk bait. Clearly it's a face of a dog, but you can't see it. Yeah, I get to sit here for 10,000 years standing on this thing.
It is now time for the most important part of the entire build, normalizing cycles and the quench. After that stressful little area of the build was over with, I went ahead and started on a guard. Here's a brass guard I created for another project a long time ago. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can make it fit for this one. The good thing about being a blacksmith is you can always take those failures and turn them into something that works in the future. This leather sheath gave me one problem after another. I realized that the sheath was way too small to put a footprint this big. If you haven't noticed, Rocky was a Saint Bernard and his paw could crush my skull. But yeah, I had a lot of issues trying to put this sheath together and fit everything together and make it a perfect, tight fit.